What do I need to make a Zelle payment? To make a Zelle payment, you must have a US-based checking or savings account that is eligible for Zelle transactions. Both the sender and the recipient need to have such accounts in order to send or receive money. You'll also need to enroll with Zelle using either a valid US mobile number or a working email address. These details act as your unique Zelle ID and are how payments are routed through the system. As of 2025, Zelle no longer operates a standalone app. The shift came after data revealed that only 2% of users accessed Zelle through its dedicated app, prompting its shutdown. Today, all Zelle transactions must be initiated directly through your bank or credit union's mobile banking app or online platform. This means your bank must support Zelle for you to use it. The majority of major financial institutions already offer Zelle integration, covering a wide range of users across the country. Once enrolled, sending money is as simple as logging into your bank's mobile or online interface, navigating to Zelle, entering the recipient's enrolled email or mobile number, and choosing the amount you want to send. The recipient typically receives the money within minutes, provided they are already enrolled. If they aren't, the transaction will remain pending until they complete the sign-up process. One important detail to keep in mind is that Zelle was designed for payments between people who know each other. There is little to no protection if you send money to someone and don't receive the promised goods or services. Because of this, Zelle is best used with friends, family, or trusted individuals. It's not recommended for online purchases from strangers or unfamiliar businesses. A fascinating fact about Zelle is its staggering growth. Despite launching relatively recently, it is now integrated into over 2,200 US banks and credit unions. Zelle processes billions of transactions each year and moved more than $1 trillion in a single year. It's become so embedded in American banking that the average user doesn't even think about the back end, they just see the money move instantly, almost like magic. To sum it up, all you need to make a Zelle payment is a supported US bank account, a mobile number or email to register, and access to your financial institution's mobile app or website. Zelle has essentially become the digital cash of modern banking, instant, direct, and increasingly ubiquitous.